from Elite IT team, and today we have Andrew with us to talk about blockchain technologies in the modern world. So Andrew, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. So could you tell us how exactly does blockchain technology work and what makes it secure for transactions?
Yeah. So imagine a digital ledger that stores the information in a secure and transparent way, but instead of storing all that information at one place, it stores the information across a network of computers. And each block is linked to the previous one, so making it impossible to alter it. And the security comes with cryptography, which is complex mathematics. Once the block is added, it is nearly impossible to alter it.
So, can you explain the concept of decentralized finance and its impact to traditional financial systems?
Yeah, sure. So DeFi, which stands for Decentralized Finance, is basically similar to traditional financial systems, but only without banks. So there's no intermediaries in between. It's only the users. It's directly between the users. The smart contracts executes the transaction, and blockchain provides the need for trading, exchanging amounts, and all that. And the challenges to the traditional financing system is that people are actually preferring it. It is often easy, accessible, and cheaper as well. So people are moving towards that domain. This is a challenge to the traditional system.
Oh. And what about supply chain management? What challenges and opportunities does blockchain provide to them?
Alright, so using blockchain for supply chain is crucial and very important at the same stage. The reason being is, we got a lot of counterfeit products in the market. All these luxury brands, they do have original products, and very hard to identify the authentic product. So what blockchain provides is, it has a history of all the details, like from where is it originating, from where it's being manufactured, everything. So it has a digital fingerprint on the blockchain, and it tells the history of the product.
Oh.
Yeah.
So how are governments and corporations around the world approaching the regulations of blockchain and cryptocurrencies?
Governments are actually approaching the blockchain regulatory authorities, but there's still some governments that are cautious because it often comes with concerns like money laundering and online frauds. So that is the reason some governments are a bit hesitant towards it. But still, many governments around the world have regularized it. They have certain authority bodies for it, so they are working on it as well.
In what ways is blockchain being utilized in healthcare, and what benefits does it provide to the industry?
Alright, so the medical data, the medical records, it is very crucial to protect them, to secure them. So the patient data is very important, and it's very important to safeguard the identity of individuals. Blockchain being used in the medical industry is very important, as it there are identity threats as well, fraud relations in the market and everything. We need to just safeguard things from that. Blockchain is being implemented in the healthcare industry as well to protect the medical data, the patient's data, the entire history of patients. It is crucial to use blockchain in the healthcare industry as well.
That does sound very beneficial. And what role does blockchain play in ensuring the authenticity and transparency of digital identities?
Alright, so as I told you that blockchain works on cryptography. So once the information is entered, it's encrypted, it's nearly impossible to be altered with or to be played with. So blockchain protects the individual identities and making sure that it's protected from the identity threats and online frauds, etc.
Lastly, can you discuss the environmental concerns associated with blockchain technologies, and are there any sustainable alternatives?
So there are sustainable alternatives in the market. Like some blockchains work on the mechanism proof of stake, where validators are chosen to work based on the stake they want to work with. So that is somehow a sustainable alternative.
Alright, thank you so much, Andrew, for being with us. That is going to be all for today. Thank you so much for giving us such great insights.
Thank you.